Okay, so today in Thunderbird, we are going to show you how you can go from this view to this good old-fashioned email view. Stick around, all the details coming up shortly. Don't forget to like this video, share it and subscribe to my channel. Doing these three things help us make more great videos for you. So since Thunderbird 1.15, we've had this kind of view come up where you have got this modern card view which shows you who the email is from, and then below it the subject line, and in some cases previews of some of the text from within the email. Now, if like me you've used emails since day dot, you probably would much prefer a layout like this where you've got the subject, who it's from and the date all in one big line. So before we go on, what is the purpose of this view? Now, this view is known as card view, and it's a modern layout option introduced in version 1.15 of Thunderbird that changes how your email messages list is displayed. Instead of traditional rows, messages appear as individual cards stacked vertically, similar to what you'd see in mobile email apps or webmail interfaces. They say it's compact and clean. Each message is shown as a separate card, making it easier to scan visually. Multi-line support. Cards can show more message details like subject, sender, and preview text. Reduce cognitive load. The layout is designed to feel less cluttered and more intuitive. And in the future, Thunderbird plans to add features like sender avatars and richer previews. But as I say, if you're like me and you're used to the good old-fashioned method, how do you change it back? Well, one quick method is if you've got this little icon in the top right-hand corner below the cross that you shut the email system down with, then just click on that and you'll probably see there is a check or a tick to the left of cards view. Just move your mouse over table view and left click once and you should see, there you go, everything changes back to normal. But if you don't have that icon, what do you do? Well, first of all, we need to get the File Edit View menu up. Just press the Alt key on your keyboard. The Alt key is usually to the left of the spacebar on the bottom row of keys on your keyboard. Push that once and you should see File Edit View, Go Message Tools and Help appear just in the top left hand corner of the screen. Click on Tools, then click on Settings, and then click on Appearance over there on the left, and then you should see under Message List you've got View Style, and you'll probably see that there is a blue dot in Cards View. Well, just move your mouse over Table View, the circle just to the left of Table View, left click once, and there it should then now change it. So click on the cross just to the right of Settings at the top there. And there we go, we are back to the normal view. Now, if you want to take that back to cards view, if you do think to yourself, I don't want that kind of view, then again, if you've got that up there in the top right hand corner, click on that, click on cards view, and there you go, it goes back. But what if you haven't got that up there in the top right hand corner? Then what you're going to have to do is once again, press the Alt key on your keyboard, get the File Edit View, Go to Messages and Tools menu come up, click on Tools, click on Settings, and then click on Appearance just on the left, and then just click on the little white circle to the left of Cards View, and then click on the cross just up there, just to the right of Settings, and there you go, you're back to Cards View. Now, quick tip, if you have gone back to Table View, which is this view here, and you're thinking, I don't actually like the layout, I don't like mine, I've got the subject to the left, then I've got correspondence, who it's from, then I've got date. On most email systems, subject should be where correspondence is and correspondence should be where subject is. So how do you move that over? Well, what I do is I just move my mouse over the word subject and then click and hold the left mouse button and then drag it across to the right, and as you're dragging it across to the right, you will see correspondence move to the left of subjects like mine just has. Once you see that, let go of the left mouse button, and there we go. It is now in order. Now, what if you don't like the word correspondence? I mean, I always find I prefer it the word from or something like that. So all I do is I just move my mouse over the correspondence column, click on the right mouse button, and here you will see a list appear. Move your mouse over from, and if there's no tick to the left of that, left click once, and there you will see from appear. Now move your mouse over correspondence, just there with the tick next to it, left click correspondence, and then move your mouse away, just move your mouse anywhere away from this menu here, left click once, and there you go. Correspondence has now changed to from, and you've got that on the left, and then you've got subject in the middle, and then date on the right. And if you want to resize any of these columns as well, then you can do. For instance, if you want to make subject bigger, because I've got this great big space over here on the right, just to the right of the dates, don't really need that. So what I can do is I can just move my mouse up to the divider just to the right of subject. Can you see that there, that divider? Your mouse, when you move it over it, it turns into a double-headed arrow. Once you see a double-headed arrow, then click and hold the left mouse button down and just drag it across until it gets to where you want that column to be. As you can see there, date is a lot further over to the right, but as you can see, the from column is getting smaller, but don't worry about that. Don't worry about that for the moment. Let go of the mouse once you're where you want it to be, and then move your mouse over the little divider just between from and subject, or correspondence and subjects if you haven't changed it. You'll see the double-headed arrow. Once you see the double-headed arrow, click and hold the left mouse button and then drag subject across to the right. Okay, until where you want it to be. There we go. I want it there. Let go. And as you can see, in actual fact, date has actually sort of cut off the end date. So again, what I can do there is I can just move my mouse over the dividing little line just to the right of subject, move that to the left, and there you go, until I can see everything, and then let go, and there we go. Got much more space on our layout there of our inbox. And you can do that for every individual folder that you've got there in exactly the same way. So there you go. I hope this guide was helpful, and if it was, don't forget, hit that like button. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, consider hitting that thanks button and making a donation to this channel. Or if you can't do that, then have a look in the description down below. We've got some great links down there for you to various things, including my Amazon shop, which contains all the things I love at the moment on Amazon: Fire TV sticks, Fire TV cubes, and VPNs. Buying, subscribing and donating really does help support this channel. It helps me to be able to dedicate more time to spend researching to bring you these great videos. And whilst you're at my YouTube channel, why not stick around? I've got thousands of other videos for you right here, right now, covering all sorts of subjects. Hopefully whilst you're here, you're going to find something to educate you, entertain you, amuse you, and maybe even save you some time and money. And if you do see any videos that you think your friends, your family, or your work colleagues might like to see, then please don't forget to share these videos on your social media timelines. You can check me out on X. I'm at CWTEK. You can also check out my website. It's cwtek.co.uk. Thanks for watching, and speak to you again soon.